Hello, Spiro T with another one of my videos. Okay, we got an unboxing today of the Solo 3DR drone. One of the best, I believe, on the market, and I've done the research. These things used to go for $1,600, and I picked this up. I mean, it's a no-brainer, 200 bucks. Here we go. Trying to go as fast as possible for you folks. Okay, get it packed here. Move that out of the way. Alright. Get rid of the plastic here. Cut that there. Cut that there. Couple tabs, as you can see right here. Pull those out carefully. Comes out like this. Feels a little bit like Christmas time. Anyways, tomorrow's my birthday, so it's an early present. Early birthday present. Alright. Wow. Nice little box it comes in here. Look at that. Look at this. What we got here? It says, as you can see, getting started. So what do we got in here? Bear with me. I'm trying not to rip these things like I normally do. Alright. We got some directions, paperwork, the propellers. The charger. One of the chargers looks for the controller. Then we got another box here. Slide this gizmo off here. I guess I can cut it since we got this great little utility knife here. Great little utility knife. You just gotta be careful you don't stick the blades out too much. What we got in this box here is the charger for the battery and a little spacer, and here we got the controller, plastic cover, and here she is, drone with the fixed mount for the camera right there, and the battery with some foam. So that's it, folks. Now you can't go wrong. $200. Of course you have a GoPro camera they put on this, but how can you go wrong for $200 for the sophisticated, well-engineered piece of equipment with a lot of stuff still out there on the market for new apps with guys that have been putting a lot of time and effort into it, and people, the enthusiasts, are working on this stuff every day through trial and error. Okay, remember Spiro T, and thank you so much. I can't wait to fly this thing, by the way. Thank you.